Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive right into performing using the timeline view on Asana, your 2025 complete guide. First off, open your Asana project and click on the Timeline tab at the top of your screen. This puts you in the timeline view where you can visualize your project over time. This step is essential because it gives you an overview of your project's timeline and shows deadlines, dependencies, and more. Now that we've done that, let's add a task. Click on the plus Add Task button at the top right corner of your screen. Type in the task name and assign it a due date. This helps us because it lets us plot our task on a timeline, giving us a visual representation of when it needs to be completed. Next up, we're going to adjust the duration of the task. Click and drag the ends of the taskbar to adjust its duration. This is important because it allows us to accurately represent how long a task will take, making our timeline more precise. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is accurately mapping out your tasks over time, giving you a bird's-eye view of your project. Finally, let's add dependencies. Click on the dot at the end of your task and drag it to the beginning of another task. This helps us because it shows the relationships between tasks and can help identify potential bottlenecks in our project. The reason we do this is to create a clear yet visual representation of our project, which makes it easier to manage, plan, and execute effectively. And there you have it. You've just learned how to perform using the timeline view on Asana, your complete guide for 2025. Remember, the timeline view is a powerful tool for visualizing and managing your projects. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.